Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how you can find motivated sellers on Zillow. Now, Zillow is one of the most popular platforms to find homes and it is also a great resource for locating motivated sellers. So let's dive in. Now, you need to start by searching for homes in the area you are interested in. So you can enter a city or a specific zip code to narrow your search results. So to find motivated sellers, look for homes that have been on the market for a long time. On Zillow, you can filter your results by selecting the days on Zillow. So, homes that have been listed for 30 days or longer may indicate sellers who are getting frustrated and may be willing to negotiate. And another clue is when a property has been unlisted and then relisted, this often suggests something happened behind the scenes, like the seller trying to fix an issue or simply wanting to sell quickly. Either way, they might be motivated to make a deal. Now, next, check the properties that have been undergone price reduction. A motivated seller may lower their price multiple times in an effort to make the sale happen faster. So, on the property page, like you can view the price history, and if a home has had frequent price drops, it's a good indicator that the seller is desperate to sell, making them a motivated seller. Now also pay close attention to the listing description. Phrases like must sell, motivated seller, or needs repair are signs that are I mean that the seller may be more willing to negotiate on price or terms. Once you've identified a potential motivated seller, reach out directly through the contact form or by calling the listing agent. And if ask them questions about seller's situation and if they're willing to open to negotiation. Another way to spot motivated sellers is by looking at the market trends for the area. And you can also find motivated sellers on Craigslist and Facebook. Or some homes on Zillow may also be marked as pre-foreclosure, and these sellers are often facing financial difficulties and are highly motivated to sell quickly. And while Zillow is a great tool, don't forget other platforms like PropStream, Facebook groups, or etc. Combining Zillow with other these kind of platforms can help you find even more motivated sellers. Zoom in on a specific neighborhoods where you might find motivated sellers, and this way you can tailor your search to more promising areas. And to wrap up, look for homes that have been on the market for a while, check for price reductions, and stay alert for keywords in listings that indicate a motivated seller. These strategies will help you find opportunities for negotiation quickly. Thanks for watching, and if you have found this quick tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more real estate tips.